Bright Minds Club.
Let's go see the animals. What do we see? A cow in the barn says moo, moo, me. A pig in the mud says oink, oink, oink. A horse runs fast and says neigh, neigh, boink. Animals here, animals there, animals are everywhere. Big ones, small ones, short and tall. Let's learn their names, we'll learn them all.
Look in the jungle, what's that sound? A monkey swings and jumps around. The lion roars so loud and proud. Roar, roar, roar. He's not shy or loud.
Animals here, animals there, animals are everywhere. Furry, feathery, scaly too. Let's meet more, me and you. Down in the ocean, deep and blue, a dolphin swims and splashes too. The fish go blub, blub, round and round. An octopus wiggles without a sound.
Let's tiptoe quiet. Who can we find? An owl that hoots with eyes